Hello everyone, welcome to Rome Tips. Today we will be discussing how to use discount coupons on Mercado Libre. That's right, save some money while you shop. Before we jump in, if you find this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to our channel for more shopping tips and tricks. We post new videos every week. Okay, so you've got a Mercado Libre coupon. Awesome. Now, how do you actually use it? It's simpler than you might think. We'll cover two main scenarios: applying the coupon during checkout and applying a coupon code. Let's get started. Scene 1. Applying a coupon during checkout. Screen recording of Mercado Libre website/app. First, let's look at applying a coupon that's already available to you. These often show up automatically in your account or are offered on specific product pages. Show screen recording of browsing a product on Mercado Libre. See that banner that says, "You have a coupon. Apply now"? If you see something like that, that's the easiest kind of coupon to use. Show screen recording of adding item to cart and proceeding to checkout. Add the item to your cart and proceed to checkout like you normally would. Show screen recording of the checkout page. During the checkout process, look for a section that says something like discounts or coupons. It might be a drop-down menu or a simple checkbox. Show screen recording of finding and selecting the available coupon. If you have an available coupon, it will usually be listed here. Just select the coupon you want to use. You should instantly see the discount applied to your order total. Show screen recording of the updated order total. That's it. Easy peasy, right? Scene 2. Applying a coupon code. Screen recording of Mercado Libre website/app. Now let's talk about using a coupon code, which you might have received in an email or found on another website. Show screen recording of adding item to cart and proceeding to checkout. Again, add your items to your cart and head to the checkout page. Show screen recording of the checkout page, focusing on the coupon code entry field. This time, look for a field labeled something like Enter Coupon Code, Promo Code, or Discount Code. It's usually near the payment options. Show screen recording of entering a coupon code. Carefully type in the coupon code exactly as it appears. Double-check that you haven't made any typos. Show screen recording of clicking the Apply button next to the coupon code field. Once you've entered the code, click the Apply button. If the code is valid, you'll see the discount reflected in your order total. Show screen recording of the updated order total. If the code doesn't work, double-check the expiration date, terms and conditions, and make sure you've entered it correctly. Some coupons are only valid for specific products or sellers. Troubleshooting tips. Speaking of things that can go wrong, here are a few quick troubleshooting tips. Expiration date. Make sure the coupon hasn't expired. Minimum purchase. Some coupons require a minimum purchase amount. Product restrictions. The coupon might only be valid for certain products or categories. Seller restrictions. Sometimes coupons are only valid when buying from specific sellers. One-time use. Most coupons can only be used once per account.
Se mariennent ou trop.
So there you have it. That's how you use discount coupons on Mercado Libre. Whether it's an automatic coupon or a code you found online, saving money is always a win. Hopefully, this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Rome tips. Let us know in the comments if you have any questions or other topics you'd like us to cover. Happy shopping, and we'll see you in the next video.